This is Narendra. I am your bio lecturer. Welcome to the MetaMind Academy. Today we will be discussing about this 2023 Neet question paper Zoology. Okay. See, many students felt this zoology and chemistry as hard in the 2023 examination. But when you check these questions, it was very easy than the 2022 paper. The reason is there are very less number of numericals. Very less number of numericals were given in 2023 paper than 2022, and many matching kind of questions were given here in this zoology. Okay. So when matching questions were given, it is very easy to score marks. It is not at all hard. Many of my students have scored full out of full in the zoology part. So let us discuss now the questions of zoology. Okay. Coming to this first question, 151, which of the following is not considered as the part of endomembrane system? See, which of the following is not, which of the following is not considered as a part of endomembrane system? See, coming to this mitochondria, no, this is not the answer. Endoplasmic reticulum, yes, and Golgi complex are yes. Okay, so these two are the parts of endomembrane system. So what is the answer? The mitochondria, chloroplast and peroxisomes. So which is the answer? The one is the answer, because it is given as not the part of endomembrane system. So A, C and E are the answers for this question. The option 1 is the answer. Next. Coming to this next question, yes, see, many times the lecturers we say the joints are a very important part of matching kind of questions. Okay, you can get matching kind of questions in these joints. Okay, see, coming to this, they have given a cartilaginous joint, ball and socket joint, fibrous joint and the saddle joint. Yes, coming to this matching question, see, very easy to match this one. Just check this one. See, fibrous joint. See, these are immovable joints. Immovable joints where they are present between the skull joint bones. Okay, we have studied those ones. These are called as sutures. Okay, these fibrous joints present in the skull are called as sutures. See here, C is 1. Only one option is there. C is as 1. So 1 is the answer. Let us discuss about this. See, cartilaginous joint. See, present between the adjacent vertebra in the vertebral column. This is a direct NCERT line. And ball and socket joint. See, when coming to this ball and socket joint, it is present between the humerus and the pectoral girdle. Okay. See, we have studied. This is the humerus and the pectoral girdle. You will be having this ball and socket joint. Here, this is the elbow joint, which is called as a hinge joint. And here, see, the type of wrist joint is a hinge joint only. The students mostly mistaken and write it as a gliding joint. Okay, see, the bones in the wrist are gliding joint, but the wrist is a type of hinge joint only. See, it is having a movement in single plane, and the remaining ones are this between this tarsals and the metatarsals. Okay, metacarpals. See, between the humerus and the pectoral girdle, and similarly between this femur and this pelvic girdle, it is also a ball and socket joint. See, they can ask you questions like this also from the top to the bottom of the hand. What are the joints present? See, ball and socket joint, hinge joint, gliding joint and the saddle joint. So these kind of questions they can ask in the exam. Yes. Coming to the third question, select the correct group or set of Australian marsupials exhibiting adaptive radiation. See, they have given as adaptive radiation. See, there are two columns there given in the NCERT textbook regarding this adaptive radiations of marsupials. Okay, Australian marsupials, they have given two columns there. From there only they picked this question. The answer is this numcat, spotted cuscus and the flying phalanger. Okay, this is the answer. Next. Coming to this fourth question, which of the following statement is correct? See, they have given a statement question regarding this biomagnification, large amount of nutrients. This is nothing but nutrification of water. and algal blooms and eutrophication. See, coming to this first option, biomagnification refers to the increase in concentration of toxicant at the successive trophic levels. Yes, this is the correct option only. See, they have given the first option only as the correct, so no need to read. See, presence of large amount of nutrients in water restricts algal bloom. This is wrong. And algal bloom decreases fish mortality. Okay, and fish decreases mortality. This is wrong. Mortality means dying. With eutrophication or with nutrients or with the algal blooms, what will happen? See, algal blooms spread over the surface of this water. What will happen? Then no sunlight, no food for these fishes, and the fishes die. There will be a increase in mortality. If it is increases, this can be the right answer. Okay, next one, eutrophication refers to increase in domestic sewage. This is wrong. The answer is 1. Okay, next. Coming to this question, yes, direct NCERT question. In the pedigree analysis, you studied about these things. Many columns were given. In the column, they have given all the things in the textbook. The same thing is given. Which one of the following symbols represents the mating between relatives in the human being? Okay, between the cousins or these things. Okay, the first one is itself the answer. Direct NCERT question. Next. Which one of the following techniques does not serve the purpose of early diagnosis of a disease for its early treatment? See here, early diagnosis of a disease for early treatment. See, PCR, yes, ELISA, RDA technology, yes, these are all the things which are early diagnosis. The answer is serum and urine analysis. Okay, does not serve the purpose. Okay, this is the answer. Next. See, coming to this matching, you are lucky enough 2023 students because more number of matching questions have come and very easy assertion reasons have come for you. Okay, people felt hard, but it is not hard, it is very easy. Even the direct students who have coming from this without any long term, they also succeeded in getting 180s, many of our students. Okay, so just concentrate on the question, you will get the answer. Nothing is there, you can eliminate and write the answer in this matching kind of questions. Okay, coming to this question, see P wave, Q wave, QRS complex and the T wave. See, this is regarding the ECG. Okay, the reading of ECG. Okay, see P wave, Q wave, QRS complex. See, this QRS complex, you can write it directly, depolarization of ventricles. There is only one option here, C4. Okay, this is C4. It is C4. Okay, this is the answer A. This is a 3, depolarization of atria. This Q wave, it is 1, beginning of systole. QRS complex, it is a depolarization of ventricles. And D, T wave, it is nothing but repolarization of ventricles. Okay, so 4 is the answer for this question. Next. Broader palms with a single palmar crease is visible in the person suffering from. See, in the textbook, they have given in the diagram also regarding this Down syndrome, palmar creases, epicantheric folds, these all things were given. The answer is Down syndrome. It is a direct question. Next, coming to another matching question. See, peptic cells, goblet cells, oxyntic cells and hepatic cells. This is the question from this digestive system. See, oxyntic cells, hepatic cells, you can easily pick up. See, hepatic cells, bile juice. See, goblet cells, these secrete mucus. Just check the options now. B1, where it is there, B1, these two things, and this D is for 2. So, this is the answer. 2 is the answer. So, you can easily pick up in 2 to 3 seconds for the matching kind of questions. Next, another statement question. Which of the following statements are correct regarding this female reproductive cycle? See, in the non-primate mammals, cyclic changes during reproduction are called as estrous cycle. Yes. See, estrous cycle. Before this NCERT questions, they have given regarding this estrous cycle. Okay. Next, first menstrual cycle begins at the puberty and is called as menopause. This is a very blunder statement. Okay, this is the wrong statement. Next, lack of menstruation indicative of pregnancy. Yes, this is correct. Cycling extends between the, yes, this is also correct. So which are the correct statements? A, C and D. So 3 is the answer for this question. Next, again another statement question they have given. Low temperature preserves the enzyme in a temporarily inactive state, whereas high temperature decreases the enzymatic activity because proteins are denatured by heat. Yes, this is a right statement only. Next, when the inhibitor closely resembles the substrate in its molecular structure and inhibits the activity of enzyme, it is called as competitive inhibitor. Yes, this is also a right option. So 4 is the right answer. Next, once the undigested and unabsorbed substances enter the cecum, their backflow is prevented by, it is ileocecal wall. 1 is the answer. Next, coming to another matching kind of question. Taenia, Paramecium, Periplaneta and Ferritima they have given, and they have given this excretory organs here. Which are the excretory organs? We have to just do a simple matching. See, for this one, Taenia and Paramecium, Periplaneta. See, for Periplaneta, it is uricose gland. C is 4. Okay, these 3 are the answers. Next, for this Ferritima, you can write it as D as 1. D as 1 is there only in the one option. Yes, D as 1 is there in only one option. So 2 is the answer. Okay. See, for Paramecium, it is 2 contractile vacuole, and it is 3 Taenia solium, it is 3 flame cells. Periplaneta, see, Periplaneta americana, it is a cockroach, it is a uricose gland because it is a uricotelic animal, and Ferritima, it is nephridia. Next, match the following. There is another matching given. See, this is in the eye, the sensory organs. In every NEET exam, there will be 1 or 2 questions regarding the sensory organs, eye or ear. Okay. In the ear, most of the questions come from organ of Corti or this saccule and utricle or this crista ampullaris. These kind of questions will be given. Okay. So they have given a matching question regarding this eye, fovea, iris, blind spot and sclera. See, coming to this sclera, what is this sclera? There is a typing error here. Yes, sclera. See, where is this? What is this sclera? See, sclera is nothing but the external layer of eye formed of dense connective tissue. Yes, D is 2. Where D is 2? There are 2 options given where D is 2. This is D. Okay. Now select between this A. Now A is 1 or 3. Visible portion of eye? No. It is point of greatest visual activity or resolution. Okay. So this fovea 3 is the answer. So this is the answer. So very simple kind of matching questions were given in this 2023 NEET exam. Next, coming to another statement question. RNA mutates at a faster rate. Yes, that is right. So that is the reason this HIV or this one is spreading at a rapid rate in the human being, and this death is occurring in the humans. Next, viruses having this RNA genome and starter lifespan mutate and evolve faster. Yes, both the statements are true. Okay. So 4 is the answer for this question. Next, coming to another matching question. See, this is a matching question from this excretory system. You will find this question in the excretory system. See, ADH, where this ADH is released, ANF. See, ANF is released by heart. So C is 2. Where C is 2? Yes, only one option is having C as 2 as the option. So 4 is the answer for this question. See, CCK, cholecystokinin is released by pancreas. Yes. Second one, gastric inhibitory polypeptide, it is released by gastric gland, ANF by the heart, and ADH by kidney. ADH, antidiuretic hormone, it is released by kidney. So all the four are very easy to match. Next, vital capacity of lung. Very important question regarding the vital capacities and the lung volumes. Okay. See, they may ask you about this tidal volume or inspiratory reserve volume, expiratory reserve volume, or functional residual volume, or this vital capacity. See, what is vital capacity? It is nothing but IRV plus ERV plus TV, inspiratory reserve volume plus expiratory reserve volume plus tidal volume. This is nothing but vital capacity. So 3 is the answer for this question. Next, which of the following is not a cloning vector? Yes, this is comes under this biotechnology question. Every year from the biotechnology chapter, 1 or 2 questions will come. This is a very easy question they have given from this biotechnology chapter. ACK, BAC and PBR322 are the cloning vectors. The only non-cloning vector here is probe. So 3 is the answer. See, you can complete this questions within 20 minutes. These 50 questions can be completed within 20 to 25 minutes and get full out of full in this zoology. The paper is like that, okay? Next, this is a very important question regarding this lac operon concept. See, lac operon, you got questions in 2022 regarding this lac operon, and you got in 2023 also regarding this lac operon. So it's a very important part for the NEET exam. See, they have given enzymes here and this genes here. See, operon is nothing but a DNA, okay? You are doing nothing but this translation and the transcription is happening there, okay? Coming to this one, ZYA genes and the inhibitor gene is given here. See, for Z, what it is beta galactosidase, and for A, ZYA, okay? The answer is, yes, this is 1 is the answer. Directly you can write it. For Z, it is beta galactosidase, and for A, gene A, it is nothing but for trans-acetylase, and gene Y, 3 permease, and I, repressor protein, okay? See, ZYA genes, you have studied ZYA, okay? This is for beta galactosidase. See, Y there for the permease, and A for trans-acetylase. Very important question. Next, coming to this 170, endometrium is necessary for the implantation of blastocysts. Yes, it is a right option. In the absence of fertilization, the corpus luteum degenerates. That causes disintegration of endometrium. Yes, both are right, and it is not the correct explanation. 1 is the answer. Next, amniocentesis for sex determination is one of the strategies of reproductive and child health care programs. No, this is not the right answer. Ban on amniocentesis checks the increasing menace of female feticide. Yes, this is the right one. See, assertion is false and reason is true. 3 is the answer. Okay, next. Yes, another matching question. See, they have given from drugs, okay, human health and disease. See, some of the drugs were given here. See, heroin, marijuana, cocaine and morphine. See, now coming to this matching kind. See, marijuana. See, this one you can easily match it. Effect on cardiovascular system. See, B is 1. Where B is 1? The 4. Okay, 4 is the answer for this question. A is 2. See, heroin slows down the body function. Yes. And cocaine. See, interfere with the transport of dopamine. Yes. And morphine. Yes, morphine acts as a painkiller. Very simple matching is given here. Next. In which blood corpuscles the HIV undergoes replication and produces a progeny of viruses? It is nothing but T helper cells. Direct question. Next. See, match the following. It is ringworm, filariasis, malaria and pneumonia. See, another question from human health and diseases. See, it weightage is around 2 to 3 questions. The human health and disease, very, very important chapter in the class 12 of biology. Okay. See, ringworm. See, what are ringworms? It is a trichophyton, is a ringworm. Okay. A, it is a 2. Okay. Next. Coming to this, C, malaria. Malaria, it is 4. Okay. A is 2, C is 4. Yes, fourth option is the correct option. Very, very simple question. Next. Which one of the following commonly sexual transmitted diseases is completely curable? Underline this one. Completely curable when detected early and treated properly. See, HIV, there is no complete treatment. Hepatitis, no. And it is only gonorrhea is the answer. It is not even genital herpes. Okay. Only the gonorrhea is completely curable and it is a direct line from the NCERT. Next. See, another matching question. See, this is in reproductive health. This matching question is taken from reproductive health. See, in the 2022 exam, they have asked about this Lippis loop and the intrauterine devices. They have asked now a matching question in the 2023. So, what is vasectomy? See, vasectomy is nothing but a surgical method. Okay, coitus interruptus, it is a natural method, and Saheli, it is a oral method, and cervical caps, it is a barrier method. It's a simple matching question. See, Saheli, oral method, D1, only one is the answer. Okay, so you can get 4 marks very easily. The answer is 1. Next. Radial symmetry is not found in. Yes, this is from animal kingdom. Very, very important question. See, in Ctenophora, you will find the radial symmetry. Echinoderms, you will find a radial symmetry. Coelenterates also, you will find a radial symmetry, which is not found is hemichordata. Okay, so 1 is the answer. Next. Given below are 2 statements. See, coming to the statement 1, a protein is imagined as a line, the left end represented by first amino acid and the right end represented by last amino acid. This answer is, or statement is wrong. Adult hemoglobin consists of 4 subunits. Yes, this is the right one. See, statement 1 is false and the statement 2 is true. So, 3 is the answer. Next, nephrons are 2 types, cortical and juxtamedullary. Yes, based on the relative position in cortex and medulla. Yes, this is the right one. Next, juxtamedullary nephrons have a short loop of Henle. This is wrong. So, A is true, R is false. See, juxtamedullary nephrons, they will have a long loop of Henle. So, the more amount of osmolarity increases till 1200 in the juxtamedullary nephrons, not in cortical nephrons. Which of the following function is carried out by cytoskeleton? See, we have studied this cytoskeleton maintains the shape of the cell. And another thing which is a very important point regarding cytoskeleton is motility. A direct question, very direct question. Next. Ligaments are dense irregular tissue. It is false. Cartilage is dense regular tissue. This is also false. Both the statements are false. What is the answer now? Statement 1, statement 2 are false. So, 1 is the answer for this question. Next. Another matching given. Okay. See, this is the matching given from competition brood mute. It is from organisms and population. Regarding the population interactions. Yes, in the population interactions, you will find questions regarding this matching, or in the competition, they will give a specific question from the competition only. Most of the exams, they have given a question from the competition of population interactions. Coming to this first option, see, a leopard and a lion in the forest. It is nothing but a competition. See, leopard and lion, both are big animals. See, it is a competition. A cuckoo laying egg in a crow's nest. It is brood parasitism. Fungi and root of higher plant, mycorrhizae. It is mutualism. Cattle and the cattle in the field. It is nothing but commensalism. Okay. See, it is all are matched in a straight line here. So, A1, B2, C3 and D4. Yes, 4 is the answer for this question. Next, see, vas deferens receives a duct from the seminal vesicle, opens into urethra as ejaculatory duct. Yes. See, the cavity of cervix is called cervical canal, which along with the vagina forms the birth canal. Yes, both the statements are true. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. 4 is the answer. Next. See, electrostatic precipitors. See, this is from environmental issues. Okay. See, electrostatic precipitator is mostly widely used in thermal power plants. Yes, this is right. Electrostatic precipitator in the thermal power plant removes ionizing radiations. This is wrong. A is true, R is false. R statement 1 is true, statement 2 is false. 2 is the answer. Next, see, in prokaryotes, the positively charged DNA is held with some negatively charged proteins in a region called nucleoid. This is a blunder statement. This is wrong. In eukaryotes, the negatively charged DNA is wrapped around the positively charged histone octamer to form the nucleosome. Okay. See, the statement 2 is correct. Okay. Statement 1 is false and the statement 2 is true. Okay. So, 3 is the answer. Next. So, which of the following are not? Coming to the section B now. Okay, see, which of the following are not under the control of thyroid hormones? Coming to the first option, maintenance of water and electrolyte balance. Yes, along with the thyroid, it is maintained by adrenal gland also. Next, regulation of basal metabolic rate. Yes, this is the answer. Normal rhythm of sleep-wake cycle. No, this is given by pineal gland. Next, development of immune system. This is by thymus. And support the process of RBC formation. Okay. So, not under the, so it is B and C. Okay. Answer 1 is the correct one. Next. Which of the following statements are correct? An excessive loss of body fluid from the body switches off osmoreceptors. No, that is wrong. Next. ADH facilitates water reabsorption to prevent diuresis. Yes, this option is right. Next, ANF causes vasodilation. Yes, ANF acts as a opposite to this ADH. Okay, increases the blood pressure. Yes, this is also right one. So, ADH is responsible for decrease in GFR. No, it is increase in GFR. Okay, see, ADH causes the vasoconstriction. Okay, ANF causes vasodilation. ADH causes vasoconstriction. These both act as antagonistic hormones. See, ANF is antagonistic to ADH. See, ADH causes vasoconstriction. See, ANF causes vasodilation. So, now what are the answers? B, C and D are correct. Yes, B, C and D are correct. Next, in cockroach, the excretion is brought about by, yes, 3 are there, direct NCERT question, it is uricose gland, nephrocytes and fat body. B, C, D are correct. Next, another matching question, see, logistic growth, exponential growth, expanding age pyramid and the stable age. See, for the logistic growth curve, what is required? See, limited resources are required. When limited resources are there only, you will find a logistic growth curve. So, where are limited resources present? See here, for the logistic growth curve, see, limited resource and availability condition. So, A is 2, yes. Next, exponential growth curve, unlimited resource availability condition, 1, yes, B is 1, only one option is there. So, 4 is the answer. Next. Coming to the 190, yes, see, match list what with list 2, okay, see, this is regarding this epithelium part. See, they have given this mast cells, inner surface of bronchiole, blood and tubular parts of nephron. See, for every year, there will be a question from this, this epithelium part. In every system in the zoology, you will have all the epitheliums. See, coming to this inner surface of bronchiole, see, for the inner surface of bronchiole, it is a ciliated epithelium. See, B is 1, only one option is given, and mast cells. See, for the mast cells, it is areolar connective tissue, And the blood is a specialized connective tissue. Tubular parts of nephron, it is cuboidal epithelium. Next. Two statements. During G0 phase of cell cycle, the cell is metabolically inactive. See, this statement is false. The centrosome undergoes duplication during the S phase of interphase. Yes, this is right. The statement 1 is wrong. Statement 2 is right. Okay. 3 is the answer for this question. Next. See, another question is given from this basophils WBC. These questions are given regarding this shape of nucleus, granulocytes and agranulocytes, which is the basic thing what we are learning from our 10th, 9th, 11th and 12th. Okay. See, basophils are most abundant. No, this is wrong. Basophils secrete histamine, serotonin and heparin. Yes, this option is right. Basophils inflammatory response. This is also right. Kidney shaped nucleus. Yes, this is also right. Agranulocytes. No, this is wrong option. So, and even this basophils have kidney shaped nucleus. This is wrong. Wrong. This is wrong. Only B and C are correct here. So, option 2 is correct. Okay. So, regarding shape of nucleus. See, shape of nucleus is a very important part for your exam. Okay. See, monocyte shape, WBC shape, where is bilobe nucleus present, where is single lobe nucleus present, kidney shaped nucleus. These all things are important for your exam. They can ask in a matching question. They can ask you the cells here and the shape of nucleus here. See, in RBC are enucleated. Okay, in the humans they are not having any nucleus. Next, the parts of human brain that help in regulation of sexual behavior, expression of excitement, pleasure, rage, fever. Direct line from the NCERT. Okay. See, this is limbic system and hypothalamus. What do you call with this one as? Emotional brain. We call it as emotional brain. Okay. Next. Unique characteristics of mammalians. See, hair spina and mammalian glands. Okay. Next. Which one of the following is a sequence on corresponding coding strand if the sequence of mRNA formed is as follows? Okay. See, in the transcription, what we have studied, see, there will be a chain of DNA template strand. Okay. What do you call this one as? Template strand. What do you call this one as? Coding strand. Here this mRNA is formed. See, while writing these two things, this one and this one, both will be similar except at the part of uracil. Okay. See, in mRNA you will have uracil, here you will be having thymine. Okay. So, just check there in the sequence given, wherever the U is present, just replace it with the T, you will get the answer. See, second one, just see it, A, T, yes, another one is a T. Yes, just replace it with this one, you will get the answer for this question. Next. See, for A, T, U, T, it will be similar. Only at the point of U, you will find T here. Okay. This is how the question will be framed. Next. 96. Which of the following is not an advantage of inbreeding? See, it exposes harmful recessive genes. Yes, very good. Next, elimination of less desirable genes and accumulation of superior genes. Yes, it decreases the productivity of inbred population after continuous inbreeding. Not an advantage. Yes, this is not an advantage here. Next. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of cockroach regarding sexual dimorphism? Yes, sexual dimorphism is exhibited by cockroach. The first one is anal styles. Second one is anal cerci. Third one, this is sclerites, dark brown color body. The answer is anal styles. One is the answer. Next, select the correct statements. See, this is regarding this cell cycle. G0 phase, interphase, M phase, S phase and G1 and G2 phase. Okay. See, tetrad formation is seen in leptotin. Correct statements. No, during anaphase the centromeres split. Yes, the centromeres split during the anaphase. And third option is also wrong. Terminalization takes place during pachytene. That is wrong. And nucleolus, Golgi and ER are reformed during telophase. Yes. These are reformed during telophase. Yes, this is right. This is right. And chromatids, this is wrong. So option A, C and E. So what are the correct statements here? A, C, E and wrong, and B and D are correct here. So answer 1 is correct. Next. Which of the following statements are correct regarding skeletal muscle? See, from the muscular system you are getting 3 questions here. In the joints, this is the another question you got. Called fascicle. Sarcoplasmic reticulum is the storehouse of calcium ions. Yes, the second option is correct. Striated appearance is due to distribution pattern of actin and myosin. Yes, this is also right. M line is considered as the functional unit and contraction unit of sarcomere. No, this is wrong. M line is not considered as a functional unit and contraction of sarcomere. So only B and C are correct here. Next. Select the correct statements with reference to cord dates. See, presence of mid-dorsal solid double ventral cord. No. Presence of closed circulatory system. Yes. Yes. Only B and C are correct. So 1 is the answer. See, just see here. We have discussed all the 50 questions which have come in the 2023. See, coming to this weightage, see, this is the paper which is very easy. They have given more number of matching questions and statement type of questions, okay. So, just check it. They have given from the basics. They have picked question from the basics. So, for any topic, the basics is very, very important. See, in the NCERT textbook, just check all the questions which have come from this introduction part only. Many of the matching questions have come from this introduction part regarding flame cells or epithelium part, or this the statement questions. Main, see, in the animal kingdom also, for every phylum there will be one characteristic feature. They have picked that characteristic feature only and framed the questions, okay. So it's very easy to answer if you know the basics, and very, very simple question paper it is. It is not at all hard, and you can easily score full out of fill in this zoology part. Thank you very much. Tomorrow I am coming with the discussion about this botany paper of 2023. Thank you.